Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to clean the speaker on your phone. Samsung Galaxy A71. We need a brush with slightly stiffer, longer bristles. If you don't have one, a toothbrush will do. Just make sure the bristles are medium or soft so they don't scratch the phone. You'll also need isopropyl alcohol, which is pure alcohol. 99%, so it evaporates quickly and does not flood the phone. If you do not have it, you can use spirits, but make sure it is over 90%. We need to turn off the phone, so press the volume down and power buttons together, then select power off. Remember to do everything with the phone turned off, never when it's on. I'm choosing this brush. First, take your rubbing alcohol. If you happen to have a spray bottle handy, you can just spray it directly. If not, you can pour a little bit of the alcohol onto the brush, making sure that it is thoroughly wet or even very wet to start. Once the brush is wet, wipe in one direction. The speaker, the area where the speaker is. Just remember, always wipe in one direction. Well, not always just one direction. Wipe 10 times in one direction, then 10 times in the other direction, and then set it down. Each time only wipe in one direction. 10 times in one direction, 10 times in the other direction. Of course, here's the little speaker, it's up here at the top. So we wipe the surface in one direction, then wipe it again in the other direction. Wipe the mesh of the speaker, and now it's clean. We wait about 10 minutes, so that the alcohol can evaporate and you can use your phone normally. And everything is ready. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate a thumbs up, likes, and subscriptions. And see you in the next video.